right, well, quite a bit of weather to get to. At least we don't have to talk about any kind of frozen precipitation, but there's a low pressure system that is nearing the Ohio Valley, and as it kind of comes up from the Gulf, boy, it's carrying a lot of moisture with it. And there's going to be a few different waves or rounds of these rain showers that come through, the heaviest expected on Sunday. So through the night tonight, we're expecting round one to come in. Well, really, we've already had a couple of rounds in the past couple of days. This one's going to be more like round 2 or 3. And then by the time we finish up the weekend, it's probably like rounds 4 or 5. So that kind of puts it into perspective for you. We do have some frozen precipitation a little bit further over to the east in the higher elevations of the mountains. Nashville, Huntsville, Knoxville picking up some rain right now. Warm front's going to be lifting across the area tonight. That's actually going to help to warm us up a little bit. It's just a cold, damp, dreary evening out there right now with temperatures in the upper 30s for most, especially the bluegrass region. Heading into our weather headlines tonight, we are expecting that one round of rain showers to come through, but as temperatures remain above freezing and rising a little bit, again, everything stays as all rain. Heading into Saturday, most of the day will actually be dry, so if you have some plans, you'll be able to squeeze those in before the heavy rain returns late in the evening and night. And then for Sunday, it's warmer, but it is certainly soggy. We also have the potential to pick up maybe a couple of stronger storms. Shouldn't be anything too severe. If there is anything, though, it's going to be centralized, maybe right over where Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, and Tennessee all kind of combine there in the corners. A lot of moisture still, though, so if we don't see any strong storms, we're definitely going to get our fair share of rain. And we know that the ground is very saturated from all of the melting of the snow and the ice. Plus, this past week, a couple of rounds of rain showers moving through. Top it off with about maybe another inch or 2 inches of rain. That's going to cause some problems for some. So we're under a flood watch that actually doesn't go into effect until tomorrow night, 1 a.m. Sunday, and that will last until 7 a.m. on Monday. It does include nearly the entire state of Kentucky, but definitely our whole viewing area. So keep that in mind as we move forward. If you live in a flood-prone area, you may just want to go ahead and prepare for some really high water and the potential for flooding as well. So Future Track shows that low pressure system nearing that round one, so to speak, of those rain showers move through, mostly for southern and southeastern Kentucky. Cold front will push those on through, leaving us with drier conditions into our Saturday afternoon. Few showers left over in the morning, but again, this is kind of what we're looking at for a good chunk of your Saturday. Mainly dry conditions. We hold on to a lot of the clouds, though. They may begin to thin a little bit, but I don't expect us to see a whole lot of sunshine tomorrow. There you can start to see some of those red colors showing up. That's where the thunder will be. That's going to be taking shape really late Saturday evening and overnight Saturday into really early Sunday morning as that second wave, that second warm front moves through. A lot of energy with this one, a lot of moisture. That's why we're going to see several showers just off and on throughout the day on Sunday. A lot of those being very moderate and coming down at a very fast clip. So as we take a look at how much rain we're expecting to see, I would say between an inch and maybe there could be a couple of spots that pick up as much as 3 inches of rain. The good news in all of this is we're actually warmer through Future Track, or through the weekend rather. We have highs in the 50s coming up on Saturday. We're going to be pushing up into the low 60s on Sunday, so at least that's going to feel nice. Here's a quick look at your 8-day forecast. Rain wraps up on Monday. We'll squeeze some sunshine out there, high of 50, and then we're in the 40s and 50s with a few more chances for rain through next week.